Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews, as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang GT. This one, of course, has the 10-speed automatic with the active valved exhaust, which right now is in track mode. Figured if you're gonna have it, why not just leave it in track all the time, other than it being very, very loud. Black accent package, the active valved exhaust, 10-speed automatic. Those are the only options this one has. This one's pretty much your entry-level GT. Price reflects that at $40,965, which for what you're getting, honestly, is a bargain. What I love about the blacked out badges is the dot on 5.0 is red. So they blacked everything out, including the horse and everything like that, but they kept the dot red. Do have back seats though. I'm not gonna put myself back there. I mean, I fit back there because I've done it before when I was considering buying a Mustang, but not very well. Even though this is not a touchscreen, it is a very, very nice unit. Put it down into sport. Let's go for a drive. I do love the steering wheel. Actually, it's like a squishy leather. It's really, really nice. Didn't really notice that before today. Oh, this is so tight. Come on. There we go. Oh man, oh man. I'm lucky the weather cleared up, because I've been filming all day and it was pouring rain earlier this morning, 40 degrees. I would have never been able to do that pull. But now that the weather's cleared up, it's perfect. Rocking P.O.V Nero all-season tires, 255 in the front, 275 in the rear, I think is what it is. It might be 295s. I'm not 100% sure, but they're meaty. They do the job. They hook. It's actually the tires. Although it's 275 all four corners, that's the tires my Challenger had from factory. They're actually not bad in the snow either. I daily drive my Challenger. Just put some weight in the back of this thing. You could daily drive it too in the snow. Obviously it's not ideal, but you know what? Back in the 1960s, rear-wheel drive was commonplace. Everybody managed, so why can't we? Mustang GT, it is awesome. Redline at 7,500 RPM from this 5-liter V8. That was increased a little bit from, in 2018, they added a few hundred RPM increase on the Redline, changed the motor just a little bit. Of course, it has nothing on the Shelby GT350 with its 5.2-liter flat plane crank Voodoo engine, which is like Voodoo in the noises it makes, with its basically I think it's 8250, basically 9,000 RPM Redline. That thing just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. It is a riot to drive. But back on track, of course, we're driving the GT, not the GT350 or the 500. In all honesty, this might be a better street car than either of those, the 350 or the 500. You can't use all that power, and especially the GT350 really makes power above 5,000 RPM. There is not a lot of places on the East Coast where you can experience a GT350 at 5,000 RPM on a daily basis, because second gear at Redline takes you to 90 miles an hour. Whereas this, you can have fun all day. Of course, this Redline's at 7,500 RPM. The torque is all down low. It's a very, very fun street car. I mean, I think 500 horsepower is basically the limit for a daily driver, fun to drive street car. Anything above well, of course, there's exceptions. If you have 500 horsepower in a front-wheel drive Civic, that's way too much. But 500 horsepower is perfect for having fun on the streets. Anything above that, you start to push it. It starts to you can't experience the car all the time. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.